Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Gerald Macabate of Geraldo. And today, we are so excited because we're going on an antique trip. And yun, medyo hindi na ako sanay ulit mag-vlog kasi it was like 3 weeks before ako nakapag-vlog ulit. I was so busy of my wedding schedules because I'm a wedding photographer. So yun, so hindi ako nakakapag-vlog. And right now, today again is the day that the Lord has made to vlog again. And we are now going to the province of Antique. Yes, together again with Marky, who's eating pineapple pies a while ago. And Mika! Ayan, so we're so excited. Unfortunately, hindi ako nakapagdala ng madaming memory cards. So, we're gonna drop by here in San Jose Antique to buy some. And we'll go proceed to Tibiao Antique. So, see you there guys! Bye-bye! Welcome to Antique! Guys, we're now here in Robinson's Antique and bibili kami ng memory card. So yun. Kasi hindi ako nakapagdala ng laptop, so I think na hindi kayang ubusin or hindi kayang i-cover lahat ng isang memory card lang ang entire trip namin sa Antique. So yun, papasok kami ng mall and bibili kami ng memory card. So let's go guys. Ooh! Taas! So luckily, nakakita kami ng memory card. Hey guys, so luckily we able to buy this one. So ayan, hindi na ako kakabahan kung maubusan ako memory card in the middle of the vlog. Nakakatawa guys. Pupunta sila ng beach, naka-shoes sila. So wala silang dalang slippers. So babili kami ng slippers. Hi guys, we're now here in Florings, Karinderya. Actually, this is the house where the native chicken adobo was built now. So we're now here in Bugasong, and actually I think isa sa mga favorite namin na dinadaanan dito kasi nga they have a very good tasting chicken adobo. That's native chicken, so have to try it inside. Let's go! So, chicken. That's so nice. Bamboo shoots na achara. Oh, and chicken adobo. Ayan guys. So naubos na naman namin. Ayan. Pero eto hindi nila feel. That's tambo achara daw. I-take out tayo ng chicken. Ayan guys, so paalis na kami. That was the most satisfying native chicken we had for like past ilang months siguro. Sobrang sarap ng native chicken nila dito. So totally I can recommend that Florings karinderya. Sobrang art. Sobrang sarap ng native chicken nila. Actually, sobrang daming kumakain. As you can see, tingnan nyo yung mga yan, may van, may private cars. Yan, so madaming kumakain. It's actually before you hit the bridge. We are on our way going to Tibiao. Kawa. Excited yung iba dun sa Kawa. So yun guys, see you there. Bye-bye! On this part, the mountain meets the palayan. Not the sea, of course. Slow down or die. You have to pay 50 pesos per head na environmental fee. Alright, here po. So here's the ticket. We're here in Calawag Mountain Resort guys. So right now, sige po. Right now, pababa tayo. While checking on the rates they have. Kasi actually I want to try the yung sumasakay ka dun sa parang cute na salbabida. Yes, and there's water. And of course, they have the same famous Kawa hot bath here. Hey, hi ate sa vlog. Ang ganda ni ate. Ayun, so they have that's 299 per person.
So, yung short course.
Ano yung extreme water tubing?
Yun po yung long course po namin.
Like how many hours it would be?
Mga almost 1 hour po siya.
And then how about for the Kawa?
Ito po yung mga flavor namin sa Kawa.
Oh, may flavor ng...
Next,
Really? May flavor? Meron po bang sinigang daw? May sinigang.
Okay lang po ako sagot number nyo. Wait lang po kayo, sir.
Wow. Oh, di ba may pa-frame? Pwede bang lagyan ng picture namin yan dyan? Wow, guys. You can guys actually eat here. So they have buffet setups for here. Safety first. Nadaling ko siya. Hindi ako makakita. Paano ako makakita? Ito yung camera. Kuya, bakit Calawag yung name?
So, Calawag kasi yung may-ari.
You guys excited? It's not exactly. We can't bring the camera there. So, we will bring the GoPro instead. Iwan natin siya dito sa reception kasi nga sobrang extreme daw baka maano. Pati yung glasses ko, so bulag ako mamaya doon guys. So, see you later guys. Bye-bye! Sa mga pamilya ko po, pag nakita niyo po kami sa ilog, bahala na po kayo. Hey, mo daw! Oh my God! Nasa si Miko! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Dami. Are we ready for this? Oh my gosh! Wow! Wow! Aray! Ay! Wow! Oh my God! Hindi ako kasya! Kastak ako! Yun. So, hatakan pa more! Di buga! Hindi! Kunaga! Wow! Guys, this is really nice. Like they really arranged it for like everyone's having their kawa here. And actually the water is... Oh, mainit siya. Mainit. So after the adventurous trip we had from the water rafting, we are here relaxing dito sa Kawa. So let's enjoy! Okay, lalagyan na po ng isang takal na asin ang ating mga lutuin. Sabuyan na po natin sila ng asin. Ayan po. Ito po ay asin. A restaurant up there and then namang side yung Kawa na area. So actually nakakatuwa yung experience kasi nga yeah, people will enjoy talaga very much. Sobrang ganda ng resort kasi nga actually parang total relaxation so for everyone. You can actually connect with the nature, you can have adventure, you can relax lang dun sa hot tub na spa, I mean the Kawa. Nakakatawa. We really enjoyed Calawag Resort here in Tibiao, Antique. For those who would want to visit here, punta lang kayo dito. Actually, isa sa mga pinakamalapit na resorts na makikita mo dito sa Tibiao. So yun, sobrang enjoy. Nakakatawa yung experience. Nag-enjoy rin sila. Especially Mark enjoyed the Kawa. And Miko enjoyed
Enjoyed everything.
Oh, enjoyed everything. So yun guys, we really enjoyed our Tibiao tour. For those na hindi pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please don't forget to click that subscribe button right here guys. See you on our next vlog guys sa Colas Antique. Bye-bye! So yun guys, when you happen to visit Tibiao, of course, don't forget to visit the first original Tibiao bakery right here. Tibiao Bakery!